The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Nestled in one of the best-known resort areas in central Missouri, you will find amazing views of the Ozark Hills with abundant wildlife including deer and turkey. Decluded yet close to town, Forbes offers you access to fishing lakes, RV areas, tennis courts, and boat ramps. Paradise in Missouri equals Forbes Lake of the Ozarks Park. Forbes is a gated community with lake access, RV parking, camping access, boat ramps, and community docks. Your piece of land and happiness is waiting, and much more. A little piece of seclusion with wildlife galore. Get your piece before the home building market starts to skyrocket. If you are looking to retire or just want a place to build your second home away from it all, this is it. HOA fees are $100.